Look at his thumb.
Hey. This is, look it. Let me see something. This is my old Auntie Josie's helmet. This is probably back from when she was a little girl, that helmet. Now Chase is wearing it. He's going to come for a ride.
Mom, look at that now.
Yeah, I know, I see that. People. Ball chaser? What do you think?
What was that?
Looks like he's in shock. He just don't want to let go. It's like if I act like I'm not here, they won't pull me off. $17 old?
Yeah, he's well on his way, eh?
Oh yeah.
You well on your way?
Can't even keep them off the bikes if they're out here.
Okay.
Getting off? Carefully, don't touch that pipe. Okay, come on. Stand.
Okay, Arctic Cat.
You lay a patch back there? Or?
Hey, I'm going for a ride now.